The house will be held above ground by 10 concrete columns that reach down to the bedrock. And despite having no experience, they've decided to pour the concrete themselves to save money.
Some precision engineering going on here.
Dan's idea is to make the columns octagonal, so they can mass-produce moulds themselves from lengths of plywood in Lucinda's workshop.
It's a former for the concrete, a container to pour the concrete into, and then when you put them together like this and bring them in, they are sort of self-locking into the shape, as long as the angle's spot on.
And to hold all that concrete in place, plastic cable ties. Really?
If there's something wrong with our invention, I don't know.
We'll know quite fast.
What will we do?
I don't see why it wouldn't work.
Well, they'll soon find out when the concrete arrives, tomorrow.
Yeah, there's some tension here, I'd say. Jump in quick, just jump in quick.
Get on with it.
As 7 tons of concrete arrive at the top of the lane, there's no time left to prepare. The truck charges by the minute. This is it.
Right.
Usually, you'd pipe the mix straight into the ground. But in order to protect the tree roots, the heavy lorry just can't come any closer than the top of the drive 100 metres away.
He's got to stop here at the entrance, transfer it to the small dumper, dumper up to site, wheelbarrow from dumper. So that's not helping.
They only have 2 hours to unload all the concrete before it sets hard. They make a start on the shorter columns at the bottom of the slope.
Really slippery underfoot, folks. Further forward. That's it. Yeah. This one's dribbling a bit. This one's not happy.
Before long, the weight of the concrete is stretching their homecraft moulds to the limit. Dan decides to lash the leaking columns with more straps and some screws for good measure.
It's pouring with rain, the formers are bulging, the lorry of concrete is waiting. Folks, we need to get the man needs to get away. We've got to get on with getting this into here. Can you get that one on? Right, we're going to this one next.
But just as they're filling the last couple of columns,
Oh, shit. No, out this side. It's all coming out.
Okay, turn the poker off, Dave. I'll get
It's going. The whole thing's going. Yes, but darling, it might all explode while you're down there.
Shit.
Bulging! It's going!
Yeah,